Do you know that the Asante kingdom once had a king named Ose Bonsu, and that his reign was marked by a fierce and decisive war with the British? In this episode of Black Stories Untold, we are going to uncover why the Asante had a ruler named Ose Bonsu, what led to his rise, and the deeper political and cultural context surrounding his rule. We will also delve into why the Asantes engaged in a brutal war with the British, what exactly triggered the conflict, and ultimately, who won the battle. This is a story of power, pride, betrayal, and resistance. And Black Stories Untold is here to reveal every detail behind this legendary conflict. It is customary in Asante tradition for kings, or Asante Heinis, to reign until their death. When a king passes on,